Welcome to Luxoro Homes. Imagine owning a mansion that moves, where every sunrise finds you in a new paradise. This is not just a motorhome, this is Cadillac redefining luxury travel, a masterpiece on wheels. Welcome to the all-new Cadillac Royal RV, where luxury never parks. Every curve, every chrome line speaks the language of class. Step inside and leave the ordinary behind. The moment you enter, you're greeted by a spacious lounge designed with handcrafted leather and ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. And right behind, the king-size bed, framed with LED panels, ensures 5-star comfort no matter where the journey takes you. The attached designer kitchen blends beauty with functionality. From the induction cooktop to the hidden fridge and smart microwave, every inch reflects Cadillac's attention to detail. This kitchen makes every moment a luxury experience. And when it's time to refresh, step into your private spa on wheels. A separate washroom with a rainfall shower, premium commode, and mirror vanity brings the comfort of a 5-star suite. The advanced driver's cockpit is where innovation takes the wheel. Dual digital screens, gesture control, adaptive cruise, and a panoramic windshield give you command and confidence with every drive. The Cadillac RV is more than a vehicle. It's your home, your comfort, your statement of class. Luxoro Homes, where elegance meets adventure. Subscribe now.